So we wanted to talk today about the number one thing we want you sellers to know. And it turns out there really isn't one. Our job is so complicated that we need you to know like 70 things. And we're gonna tell you some of them today, like making sure your house is prepped properly and has some pizzazz when it's being shown. You had talked earlier about curb appeal.
Yes, curb appeal is huge. Please put away your garbage cans, your garbage, dog droppings. Make your house look like, hey, I want to buy this place. So this is the first impression this buyer is going to see.
I actually had a buyer the other day step in dog droppings right as we were leaving the property. It slowed us down for like 10 minutes and they were super unimpressed. It was an over $1 million home and that just shouldn't fly.
No, and clean up your clutter. You don't need stuff all over your countertops and all over your nightstands and dressers.
Yeah.
Less is more.
Less is more.
Mm-hmm. Worst case scenario, sweep it all in the cupboard and shut the door.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. But there's also things like documentation, knowing the stats about your house, knowing what kind of shape it's in. When's the last time you looked in your attic? Because you don't want the first time to be when there's a home inspection.
Yeah. Also, if your door handles are a little bit loose or that cabinet squeaks weird when you open it, address those things. They're little things, but they make a big difference.
Yeah, I have a client who always comments on squeaky floors.
Oh, it's a thing for sure.
So, in short, there's a billion things we need you guys to know as sellers to get top dollar for your house. So reach out. We'll help you get there.